Chapter 18, Sloka 76. Rajan Samsmritya Samsmritya. Rajan Samsmritya Samsmritya. Rajan Samsmritya Samsmritya. Samvadamimam Adbhutam. Samvadamimam Adbhutam. Samvadamimam Adbhutam. Rajan Samsmritya Samsmritya. Samvadamimam Adbhutam. Rajan Samsmritya Samsmritya 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 Samvadamimam Adbhutam. Keshavarjuna Punyam. Keshavarjunayo punyam. Keshavarjunayo punyam. Rishyami cha muhurmuhu. Rishyami cha muhurmuhu. Rishyami cha muhurmuhu. Keshavarjunayo punyam. 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 Rishyami cha muhurmuhu. Rajan Samsmritya Samsmritya Samvadamimam Adbhutam. Keshavarjunayo punyam. Rishyami cha muhurmuhu.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.